Girl gotta look cute in the outfit. Happy holidays! Say happy holidays!
Happy holidays.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannel Morris here, and I am here with a holiday video. So for today, first of all, I've been so out of the holiday festivities, so now it's time for me to get into it with the fam. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go and pick up a Christmas tree and do some shopping and decorating. But before we do that and get into that, I want to say a special thank you to Merit Beauty for gifting me this beautiful holiday collection that they have. It's their La Fête Edition collection, and it's filled with everything you need for a flawless look. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do my entire makeup with this set so you guys can see it. Like, oh my god! Okay, I'm so excited. I'm like, okay. After I'm done beating my face and you're like, yes, I got to get this. The link is in my bio. So first, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do my eyebrows. And this is their Volumize pomade. Oh my gosh, guys, get on it. You don't need to do anything with your eyebrows with this, just so you know. So what I'm going to do is just that natural, flawless look. You know, and this is just gonna secure my eyebrow hairs in place. I'm looking down because I have a mirror right here. So first, this is all you need, and your girl have some eyebrow hairs, just so you know. I took my time to grow them out. Okay, so this is gonna leave everything in place exactly where I need it. And then next, tell me this didn't work magic. Okay, that is in the set there. So this set, it comes with everything you need, like literally everything, just for a quick little look. So I'm gonna go in and I am going to use the serum next, and this is a new serum that they came out with, and this is why you need to get this set, because the serum is included and it's a little what you call it, travel pack. And this serum is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, right? I'm gonna shake it up. Okay, look. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay. Oh. I'm getting this everywhere. I'm so sorry. Okay, so first of all, let's get into the serum. Okay. One sec, I need a brush. Babe?
Yeah?
Could you pass my brush kit?
Do you want to see it? The start?
Okay. So this is the serum. I'm just gonna blend everything in so it's gonna have like a nice little glow. And I want the glow to be all over my cheeks, you know, just that shiny, you know, just out of the shower, flawless makeup look. That's what I'm going for. Bam! Just like that. Okay? And then the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to go in with my mascara, and this is Perfect Black. Okay? And because I always do lash extensions, just so you know, well, quite often, because I just like wake up and I can just go instead of waking up and worrying about my lashes and I have no lashes. So with this, I'm just gonna put it on my bottom lashes just to have like a little bit more oomph to this look. Say it ain't so. It's cute, right? And my little trick to get like a little volume look is just to let the mascara sit for a little bit and dry, and then I do something else to my face, and then I come back to the mascara. Okay? So the next thing that I'm gonna go in with is I need a little bit more glow. So I'm gonna go in with their Day Glow. Look how beautiful this is. Don't sleep on it. Ooh, don't sleep on it. Okay. I just want that to be, oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna blend. Look at you getting stressed. I'm gonna blend. Okay. Ah! Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put a little bit more of that. Okay? This time I'm gonna try doing it on my brush first, and then I'm gonna actually carry it up a little bit more just to have like that little gloss, little glossy gloss. And then I'm gonna do it to the other side. I just want to be glowing, okay? So for me, one, I always put a little glow right at the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, okay? So that's just me. I just love that look. I don't go all the way down. I just do like a little glow effect. Okay. See the natural, like, just got out of the shower, makeup, no makeup, flawless look that I'm talking about? This is it. This kit is what you need to do that, right? And I hardly did anything to my eyebrows. I hardly did anything to my whole face. But to add a little festive holiday, you know, zhuzh to it, I'm gonna be going in with their signature lip, and look how beautiful this red is. How gorgeous. The red is it, okay? Okay. So I'm going in with this just to line my lip a little bit better. That is all she wrote, babes. That is all she wrote. Took less than 5 minutes to get this beat done. Yes, honey, yes. Babe.
Yeah.
How do I look? Come rate my look. Red lip, holiday festivities, and
How much should I rate it out of?
Out of 10.
I give it a 12 out of 10.
Y'all, you gotta get this for this. Get it for yourself and also get it for a friend. Like, why not? Come on. If you like this look, and trust me, you can add more glow, but because it's daytime, I just want that soft glow, not that night glow, you know? There's two different glows. Let's get some close-up of this look. So I'm gonna get dressed and I am going to catch y'all at the Christmas tree. Or no, catch y'all at the mall. We're gonna do some shopping first and then we're gonna go get the Christmas tree. So let's go. Girl gotta look cute in the outfit. Okay, so we are on our way to do some Christmas shopping. Yes, yes,
Yes. Christmas time.
yes, Kiari. Yes.
Yes, Mama.
I'm so excited, babes. It is literally the perfect. Ooh, she didn't see you. It's like literally the perfect day, I think, because it's a little snowy outside. And before yesterday it was dry, there was no snow, and now there's snow. So it's like putting us in the like holiday spirit and everything. Right? He's like, yeah. I'm like the holiday cheerleader in this family.
It's some good food, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Christmas come a lot of good food.
A lot of good food. You got your Jamaican sorrel, like if you don't know sorrel, it's literally a holiday drink in the Caribbean around Christmas time. Everyone pull it out. Your grandma, your grandmother's grandma, everybody pull out the old recipe and cook up some nice sorrel. So we already had ours.
Yes.
But I need some more.
And Michelle's sorrel is really, really good.
Yeah, Michelle's sorrel is so good. Does she have a website? I can put her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want her contact information, DM me and I'll get you some sorrel. I'll get you the sorrel link if you're in Toronto. If you're in Toronto, Ontario. Okay. Let's go. Say happy holidays. Say happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Good job.
Good job, Mommy.
What else are you gonna say? Can you say hi? Hi, Mommy's YouTube family.
Family.
Yeah. Say it again. Say hi, Mommy's YouTube family. Good job, Mama. Are you excited to go Christmas shopping?
Yes.
Are you going to get a Christmas tree?
Yes.
How big is the Christmas tree gonna be? Christmas tree, big.
Big.
Babe, are you excited?
Yeah. Super, super excited.
Are you in the holiday spirit now?
Yeah. I just want to celebrate Christmas, give thanks for the wonderful year.
I know. Me too.
And just spend time with family and good friends,
Yeah. While we're on this car ride, I know winter is a very like low mood, like depressing time for some people. So hopefully this video can help you cheer up, get into the Christmas spirit. Don't break your bank account.
Alright. Make sure you don't take too much snow with you.
I And would it be okay to get the bottom chopped off?
I'm going to chop it off and then
Yeah.
put it on a bag.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we are back home and we're gonna set up the Christmas tree, set up all the little stuff that I got. Now you wanna go set up all the little stuff that I got, and Kiari's gonna help me. Are you gonna help me? You're gonna help mommy? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Thank you babes for tuning in to another video. You know some love on them. Don't forget to press the subscribe button down below, and I hope you enjoyed my little Christmas festive day with the family. The link is down below for the nice little Merit stocking stuffer. Continue watching and you can view one of my videos anywhere on the screen right here. You can click on them. And for now, I will see you in the next one. Mwah.